Do you snore? Dentistry has a solution. Depending on the nature of your snoring, we might have the ideal solution for you. Many people snore because when they're sleeping, their lower jaw falls backwards and compress the airway. We first need to assess if this is the case, and after scanning your upper and lower jaw, we can make an appliance which will actually keep your lower jaw forward during the night and prevent it from collapsing backwards and obstructing the airway. Patients who have had one of these devices say it's a life changer. They recover that energy that was used basically to survive through the night and make it available for any other areas of their general well-being. And not to mention the relief for those sleeping next to them, as it can sometimes completely eliminate snoring. To see if this type of appliance is right for you, come in for a free consultation.